This is Mike.
Hey everybody.
What's your last name, Mike?
Amos, like Amos and Andy.
And what's your company name?
Mike Cooper Landing.
And how can we find you?
You can probably find me at Google biking in Cooper Landing, Alaska, of course. Also Facebook, Bike Cooper Landing. Website is Bike Cooper Landing AK.
Yeah, and what's so exciting about Cooper Landing?
What is so exciting about Cooper Landing? Waiting for you to get here. Was that good?
Yeah. And these are the bikes we're gonna take. And this is the star of the show. Willow.
Over that way.
Are you a wannabe Iditarod husky? Yeah. And this is Buddy. Hey, Buddy. Look at those eyes. Looks just like Buddy on what's that movie? That Disney movie? So, Mike has provided us not only with the bikes and a helmet.
Backpack.
He loaned Gary his own backpack. He got us coffee, cream, sugar,
Bear spray.
and now he's giving us a GoPro. He's loaning us a GoPro.
So
Yes,
if you
he
ever
is.
Get to Alaska,
And you're not prepared. This is definitely the place to go. Huh.
go see this.
Up on kind of a muddy trail, Gary.
Yes, we have.
It's gonna be kind of tough. So let's give it a try. Oh, I'm gonna end up. Oh my goodness. Oh, Jesus. I think I'm gonna get off. They went here yesterday? They must have did a different one. Or a different way. Yay, we hit Resurrection Trail. Look at that beauty. Look at that house.
That's a bullet.
What? Nuh-uh. Oh my goodness. Whoa, look at that. Someone Someone tell us what that is. What kind of bolete is that? It's under a pine tree. We gonna cook it for dinner?
Yeah.
Wow. All kinds of them around here.
I think we found a bullet. We'll test it tonight and see.
You're crazy, honey.
Just a small bite.
You're in the wilderness. You're gonna be like the guy from Into the Wild. What about, how many miles would you say?
3?
3 miles?
Yeah.
And we got about 3, no, more than 3. And actually, there's no mile markers on the signs, so we kind of have to go by our map and kind of like just knowledge. It's all a mystery. And it's supposed to rain tonight around 3 a.m. Thank goodness we brought our rain gear.
What happens when a fire goes through your forest. Pretty nasty right through here. Pretty sad. Yeah.
our Walmart special. Same tent we got when we went to Florida. Right? I
Pretty
think.
much. Looks like it. What is this? Goes on the fly.
These are little poles. Wow, look how little that pole is.
Home sweet home for the night.
Hope you enjoyed tonight's episode of Mountain Bike Riding on Resurrection Pass. Next weekend, we are going to take a helicopter ride out to Punch Bowl Glacier and then hook up with the local dog sledding team as we dog sled over the glacier. Hope to see you then. Gary,
What?
I think I heard a bear.
What?
Yeah, I think I heard a bear outside.
Probably just a kitty cat or something.